Welcome back. Denise from Mystic Essential Soap and Candle Company. I am working on my Goddess line, and somebody just asked me for a fruit combination, and it kind of fits with the Goddess Pomona, the goddess of fruit. So I think I'm going to work on seeing what I come up with for this and seeing if it makes it into the line. I'm just making one batch. I already have somebody ready to purchase a couple bars. So I am taking the fruits that she requested, which was agave and pear is what she requested. But I am twisting it up a bit. I am using agave lime from Nature's Garden, which I love. And I am mixing it with a bit of pear and vanilla. This is from Candlewic. It is a skin-safe scent, but Candlewic is one of my favorite places to go to for my wax. They have a lot of good fragrance oils, but their pear and vanilla is awesome, and theirs is skin-safe, so I mix a percentage of each of those two together to come up with the scent that I came up with for this. The colorants I'm using today are going to be Mint Julep from Mad Micas, just so you can see the color. I am using Lemon Cupcake from Mad Micas. And I'm using Party Pink from Brambleberry, just to add a little pink in there. I will be also using some titanium dioxide. So let's just get this party started. Okay, so here we go. This batch did not turn out the way I wanted to. I wanted to originally do a teardrop, but my batter was too thin. I realized really quickly on when I was mixing my colorants that I had used one of my soap batches that had lard in it. So it slowed it down quite a bit. It's okay. We roll with the punches. This was just a tester batch and a customer had already purchased it. So we just went with it. I am not going to take you through everything. I am going to play music through this video and let you enjoy the process. I've sped up in some places. I've slowed down in some places. As usual, I always keep the pour at its regular speed. Love to watch the pour. I'll let you watch the video and see if you can point out below where I went wrong. What I did when I knew, this isn't going to work. If you can pick that point out, comment down below. As soon as you realize, yep, that's when you realized it. You know what? Soap is soap. Mistakes happen. It is what it is. This one actually isn't going to make it into the Goddess line. It wasn't one of the ones that I've chosen, but it was a fun soap to make anyway, so enjoy watching it. If you wouldn't mind, give me a little thumbs up. Comment down below if there's a soap that you want to see me make. I will put it on video for you. If there's a specific design, a technique that you want to learn, I'll put it on video for you. Let me know down below. And please, support our channel. Give us a thumbs up. Comment. It helps us grow. I'm going to put on some music and let you enjoy the rest of the soap making process. Yep, there it is. That's when I realized that batter was too thin. But I had already started pouring, so I just kept going with it. It is what it is. Back to the music. A simple soap recipe went a little astray. Things happen. No big deal. We rolled with the punches. But can you tell me where I went wrong? Comment down below where I went wrong. I want to hear where you think I figured out, oh, this isn't going to work. I want to know exactly where. I find it hilarious when I do things like that. And I simply wasn't paying attention. I simply wasn't paying attention. It is what it is. We kept going forward. It's still a beautiful soap. The customer is thoroughly enjoyed with it. As long as my customers enjoy it, I'm good. If you wouldn't mind doing me a favor, please give this video a thumbs up. When you subscribe and comment, it helps us grow. And that's what we're all trying to do. We're all trying to grow. So see, my OCD is kicking in there. If I see a space that doesn't have enough color, I have to fix it. Pretty though, isn't she? Thanks for watching.